Okay, time is coming up, so you should be finishing. Yeah? Did you finish it, Ben? Go? No? Okay, let's have a look. So, first question was, use dy dx to find the coordinates of the 2 points in the curve where they have stationary values. So, I think, Ben, you remember what the meaning was. What did it mean by stationary values? What did that mean? You remember?
I don't know.
Ah, okay. dy dx equal 0. Yeah? Did you do this? Yeah? So you do know.
But I don't know that.
So let's calculate dy dx here. So that's going to be x squared plus 2x minus 3, yeah, equals 0. So that's x plus 3, x minus 1 equals 0. So x equals minus 3 or 1.
Fine.
But we still have to find the y. So if I put in, let's say,
What? We need 5 and 5.
ah, so you didn't get 5 marks, Ben. Then you only got 3 marks.
Oh. Where?
Here, this word. So
that means y?
means x and y.
Oh,
Yeah.
it means both.
Yeah, sure does. Sorry. So if we put in 1 first, we have a third, 4 thirds, 4 thirds minus 9 thirds, minus 5 thirds, plus 6 thirds, 1 third.
You mean for the y?
Yeah, what do you get?
The 1
1 third? Do you have this done? What do you get when you put in minus 3? 11. Okay, thank you. Right, good job. Almost good job. Determine whether it's a max or min. So how do you know if it's a max or min? You need to calculate the second derivative. That's 2x plus 2. Now if you put in minus 3, what do you get? You'll get minus 4, yeah? If you put in 1, what do you get? 4. That's less than 0, that's more than 0. So that means minus 3, 11 is a max. And then 1 and a third is a min. Yeah? Right, so 9 marks already. Right, B part 1. We have this picture here, and what do we want? We want the tangent to the curve at P, and here's P here. Okay, so as I was saying to Gao, it's y equals mx plus c. The m is dy dx at the point P. Dy dx is 2x minus 8 at the point P. For the point P, x is 3. So that's 6 minus 2. And then we can use the P to get C. So we have y, we have minus 8 equals minus 2 times 3 plus C. So C is also minus 2, isn't it? So y equals minus 2x minus 2 is the answer there. That one. Okay. And then, what?
Come back. So you means we calculate that p equals minus 2, that is the m.
Yeah.
For this. So actually, I don't know this, but I guess.
How'd you guess minus 2?
Yeah. Actually, I'm correct, but I don't know why.
Okay, this is right. Check if this is a normal to the tangent.
What do you mean? It's
Perpendicular.
or
Parallel.
it's two.
Well, they want us to check if it. They want you to show it's not perpendicular.
So we just show the m is
Correct. Yeah. So the m is -5 minus -8. Yeah. 6 minus 3. Oops. So what's that? 3. Yeah. Over 3. That's 1. Which does not equal 1 over 2.
Yeah.
Which is what it would need to be perpendicular. Alright, what's next? And then lastly, area, is it? Find the area which is shaded. Okay, so the last thing to do is get that area. So we have to use integration, yeah. Now, you have to be careful here. There's actually, oops, 2 integrations.
What do you mean?
Well, I'll show you what I mean. So the first integration
What do you mean?
is minus, because it's under. Fine.
Yeah,
No.
okay, the answer is minus.
Yeah, so you have to change the sign. Oh, I'm sorry, there's not 2 integrations, there's 3 integrations. 3, I'll show you. So first you integrate minus 1 to 3. 1 to 3. X squared minus 8x plus 7 dx. Okay. Then next you integrate from 3 to 6. This line. Now we don't know this line yet.
We know.
No, we don't. We only know the tangent.
We know 2 points.
We know 2 points, so we could know it. Dx. And then lastly, we have to integrate the curve again, which is 6 to 7.
Oh,
I know. Well, how many marks is it?
6.
6 marks, is it?
Yeah, I just say it.
Let's get the here. Y equals, what did we say the slope was earlier?
What?
It was 1, wasn't it? Yeah. So that's x plus c, and we can use the point minus 8, 3. So minus 8 equals 3 plus c, so c is minus 11. Yeah? So x minus 11 is the line here.
But I'm a little bit confused. If you integrate the line, it's not be under the line?
Yeah, it does. So it's under this line. Oh, sorry, I should put minuses here too, because these are all negative. So, curve, line, back to curve. You sound very unhappy, Gail.
I think I'm correct because I get the.
Okay, there's more than one way to do it.
Do you know? I get the not
Yeah, so there's a,
ugly number. It's very beautiful.
well, let's see if it's the same as my number. Another way to do it is to get the full area here, and then minus the area between the line and the curve. One way to do it. Another way to do it is to make a shape here. You know, there's a few ways to do it.
So what was the equation of between under the line?
Yeah, under the line. Is this red one? Between
no.
two.
Yeah, between.
Yeah. So if you have two curves, let's say F and G, and the G is bigger than the F. Oh, sorry. The F is bigger than the G. Here and here. Then the area is this. Yeah?
Okay.
You minus the 2.
Mm.
Okay, let's calculate this. So this will be x cubed over 3 minus 4x squared plus 7x. 1 and 3. Now, I'll put the minus in at the end. Plus x squared over 2 minus 11x, 3 and 6, plus x cubed over 3 minus 4x squared plus 7x, 6 and 7. Right, so if I put in the 3, that's going to be it's going to be 9 minus 36 plus 21. Yeah? Minus a third minus 4 plus 7. Plus 36 over 2 is 18 minus 66. Minus 9 over 2 minus 33. Plus whatever 7 cubed over 3 is, minus 4 times 49, which is 196, plus 49, minus 6 cubed over 3, minus 4 times 36 plus 42.
Why did it become all positive?
Oh, I'll fix the sign in the end because the minus is in everything. So, okay, to be clear, Gao, it's like minus all of that. Okay, can someone type that in and see what we get on the calculator? Khalifa, you have a calculator? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brackets to type in. Can I borrow this pen? Thank you. Let's see. It got 63 over 2. Now I can check the answer. Because what I can do is open up my special calculator. You didn't get this answer?
That's
42.
Because I don't know how to, like between 3 and 6.
Mm-hmm. Get this area.
Yeah, I don't know how to make the line under the line. Is that under the line? It's not like this or above.
Both. Both. Let's check our answer. Alpha x squared minus 8 alpha x plus 7 minus 3, 6 x minus 11 minus integrate, what's the last one? 6, 7 6, 7 x squared minus 8x plus 7. Whoops. correct. Looks correct. 63 over 2 is the answer. 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 7, quadratic, line, quadratic. Yeah, pretty sure that's right. What you doing, Ben? Checking the answer?
So if we want to know like this area, we need to use the, like you said, between.
Yeah, so if you want to do it that way, Gail, what you could do this, you could integrate from 1 to 7 minus x squared minus 8x plus 7 dx, and then you need to take away this, so that would be minus integrate from 3 to 6. What we said the line was x minus 11 minus x squared minus 8x plus 7 dx.
And no plus?
Here,
No.
here
Yeah.
is minus, because what you're doing is you're getting all of this and then you're minusing this piece.
So it's no matter if under the x-axis.
For this one, yeah, this one is a minus because it's under. But this one is okay because you're taking it away. And I know what you're saying. Does it matter if this is under or if it's over? And the answer is no. It doesn't matter. Because in both cases what you're doing is, if that's f and that's g, you're looking at f minus g, which is positive. And if that's f and that's g, and you're looking at f minus g, that's already positive. So like if that's minus 2 and that's minus 3, it's still positive. So it's not necessary to fix it. Okay. Is that okay, Ben? There's a few calculations, alright. This is why we're doing revision. It's a pity Summer's not here to see this. Must be asleep. Okay, continue? Yeah? So look, if we look at what's next, Nice. Not too bad. Not too bad. There we go. Okay, 20 minutes. Go.
But we do have choice, right? In the
Ah, yeah, but we're practicing everything
yeah.
for safety.